Have you ever had to cover up your age because you looked older than you are? These 5 vitamins can fix that. Aging can be tough, especially when it affects how you see yourself. But you don't have to hide anymore. These vitamins can rejuvenate your skin instantly and restore your self-esteem. In this video, I will tell you about the top 5 vitamins which are essential for your body. They can help restore your skin's youthful glow and boost your energy, all without any extra effort. Stick around to find out how easy it is to instantly look younger and also feel great. Let's get started. Number 1, vitamin C. When you think of vitamin C, chances are your mind immediately jumps to lemons, limes, and oranges. And while citrus fruits are a great source, vitamin C does a lot more than just keep colds at bay. It's a multitasker for your body. Vitamin C works by increasing the production of white blood cells, which are your body's main defense against infections. But that's not all. Vitamin C is also critical for maintaining healthy skin. It supports the production of collagen, which helps keep your skin firm and elastic. What's even more impressive is that vitamin C acts as an antioxidant. This means it helps protect your cells from harmful free radicals, which can cause aging and other health issues. According to research published in the National Library of Medicine, vitamin C's antioxidant properties make it the best vitamin for eliminating the signs of aging. Regular intake of vitamin C can improve skin texture and reduce the appearance of fine lines, helping you maintain a vibrant, youthful look as you age. To get more vitamin C in your diet, you don't have to limit yourself to just oranges. Foods like strawberries, bell peppers, broccoli, and even spinach are loaded with vitamin C. A balanced diet rich in these fruits and veggies will keep your immune system strong and your skin looking youthful. You can also try applying vitamin C serum in the morning before sunscreen. This duo works like magic, giving you brighter skin while protecting you from sun damage. Number 2, vitamin E. Vitamin E is another antioxidant that protects your skin. It protects your cells from damage caused by free radicals. Free radicals are unstable molecules that can not only cause aging, but can also cause inflammation, but even contribute to diseases like cancer. Vitamin E steps in to neutralize these free radicals, keeping your cells safe and healthy. A study in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition showed that vitamin E's antioxidant properties are essential for protecting the body from oxidative stress, which can lead to chronic diseases and accelerated aging. But did you know vitamin E is especially known for its moisturizing properties? It locks in hydration, helping to keep your skin soft, smooth, and glowing. This is especially important as we age because our skin tends to lose moisture faster. Research shows that vitamin E can help reduce inflammation and soothe irritated skin. It's also known for speeding up the skin's healing process, making it perfect if you're dealing with scars or blemishes. You can find vitamin E in oils like almond or sunflower oil, or even in nuts like almonds and sunflower seeds. Spinach and avocados are also rich in vitamin E. Including these in your diet not only benefits your skin, but also keeps your heart in check. And here's a pro tip. Applying vitamin E oil directly to your skin can give it an extra hydration boost, especially at night. Number 3, vitamin A. Vitamin A is a real MVP when it comes to an anti-aging regime. It helps your body produce white blood cells, which fight off infections caused by acne and keep your skin healthy. According to research, vitamin A is the first vitamin approved by the Food and Drug Administration as an anti-wrinkle agent that changes the appearance of the skin's surface and has anti-aging effects. This vitamin has been proven to reduce fine lines and wrinkles. It works by increasing cell turnover, which helps your skin look fresh and young. It can also improve skin elasticity and reduce the appearance of sun damage over time. You can find vitamin A in foods like sweet potatoes, carrots, leafy greens, and liver. Just a small amount of these vitamin A-rich foods can make a big difference in your overall health. Retinol is a form of vitamin A that works deep within the skin to boost collagen production. It's been around for a while, and dermatologists love it for its ability to even skin tone. Retinol can help with acne too by keeping your pores clear. If you're using retinol, start with a lower concentration. Apply it at night and always follow up with sunscreen during the day because retinol can make your skin more sensitive to the sun. Number 4, vitamin D. Do you know why your skin looks dull during the winter? Because you're not getting enough vitamin D. This vitamin plays a major role in skin health, especially when it comes to healing and renewing your skin. Vitamin D helps with skin cell growth, repair, and metabolism. It even enhances the skin's immune system, making it better at fighting off bacteria and infections. This is why it's so important if you deal with skin conditions like eczema or psoriasis. And here's an interesting fact. A study published by the Journal of Dermatology found that people with low levels of vitamin D were more likely to have skin issues such as dryness and premature aging. So in order to get enough vitamin D, you can include salmon, eggs, mushrooms, cow's milk, and cereals in your diet. You can also spend 15 to 20 minutes outside each day to let your skin soak up that natural vitamin D. And if you're living in a colder climate, you can consider getting vitamin D supplements for faster results. Number 5, vitamin K. We've all been there. Dark circles, puffy eyes, and skin that just won't look fresh no matter what you do. This is where vitamin K comes in. Known for its blood clotting abilities, vitamin K helps reduce dark circles and puffiness under your eyes. Vitamin K is great for improving circulation in the skin, which is why it's effective at reducing the appearance of dark under-eye circles and bruising. It's also known to help with healing scars and stretch marks over time. A study in the Journal of Cosmetic Dermatology found that vitamin K, when combined with other antioxidants, significantly improved the appearance of dark circles and skin tone under the eyes. The most common foods with high vitamin K are green leafy vegetables such as kale, collard greens, broccoli, spinach, cabbage, and lettuce. Other sources are nuts, fruits, and some animal products such as dairy and meats. And did you know that you just need 1 cup of raw spinach to provide your daily requirement of vitamin K? If you are looking to apply it on the skin, look for eye creams that contain vitamin K. It's very gentle on your skin and tackles the under-eye bags without irritating your skin. And that's all for now. These 5 vitamins will transform your skin instantly. Start incorporating them into your daily routine, either through your diet or skincare products. You'll be amazed at how much your skin can change with just a few small adjustments. But that's not all. Remember, prevention is always better than cure, and that's why you need to know 7 habits that are making you look older. Watch the video and make sure to like this video, subscribe, and share it with someone who could use a little health boost today.